Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the carabiner carefully. Look for bent gate, missing spring, cracks, or burrs. Once you know the type, locking or non-locking, gather pliers, a small file, a replacement spring or pin, and light oil. Make sure to work on a clean, flat surface under bright light. This prevents losing tiny parts. Now remove any debris with a cotton swab and compressed air, and prepare to test the gate motion to pinpoint the failure before you touch metal. Once done preparing, address the gate first. If it's bent, use padded pliers to bend it straight, small increments only because overbending weakens metal. If the gate won't close smoothly, file any burrs and remove rust. Make sure the spring is seated correctly, replace a broken spring with the matched part, and reinsert the pin with a punch or small hammer if necessary. As you work, check hinge alignment frequently so the gate rides squarely in the nose. This prevents binding later. You finish by cycling the gate slowly, then under a gentle hand load, to confirm smooth action and reliable locking. Make sure to apply a light lubricant to the hinge and wipe off excess. Then repeat the cycle 10-20 times so the oil settles. Inspect for hairline cracks or corrosion one last time and tighten any screws. If the carabiner still binds or the gate springs back weakly, do not use it for load bearing. Replace the carabiner immediately as a key
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.